What's up, traders? John Howell here. Hope you guys are doing well. Listen, I'm just going to go through a few stocks that I just saw from Nathaniel, plus also Poker 1989 and CCJ. I just want to go over that for you guys and share that with you. If you have any stocks that you want me to look at, just post them in the comment section below and I'll be able to help you out. Don't place a trade based on this video because I'm just going to educate you about some things to really look at if you're looking to buy some stocks. This is basically long-term buy and hold stocks. And even short term is really going to help you out of there as well too. So that's what I want to talk to you guys about today in this video. Now, if you'd like to get if you'd like to get my free trading course and also some free coaching or a free trial, free 30-day trial to my coaching program, and it's closing down soon. First link in the description. Click on that right now to go get access to it. So the first thing I want to talk about here is Poker 1989. I appreciate your Poker 1989. I appreciate your positive feedback as well too. About that stock. So the first stock there that we looked at there was me.to. me.to. Let me actually just bring this up through here, and I just wanted to see what happened with that so far. So I did a video based on this me.to. I did a video on this just recently, and I talked about some things to look out for if he wants to buy that. So that's nothing to be worried about there. So you also said here, I will try to get them. I purchased CCJ today. Looks like we're getting towards the bottom of a flag near support. Good luck. I love the videos. Cheers. All right, cool. 1989, Poker 1989. Let me actually just walk you through CCJ. Let me actually walk you through exactly what I see on this one here and what I personally think about that particular purchase there. Now, what you want to do, the most important thing I want to encourage you to do is to focus on stocks of where you want to focus on is one, who's in control, and two, where is momentum. So the first, so let me bring this up through here. So one, who's in control? So who's in control, and two, where is momentum? So if we have sellers in control and we have momentum down, then can you see how if you're looking to buy stocks at that particular time, it's probably your odds are against you of having a successful trade. Now, how do you actually, how to find really good powerful setups is obviously what we're talking about here, right? So how do you actually identify what we're talking about here? So if you obviously purchased this CCJ right here where it is right now. The first thing you want to look at is like who's in control. And if you just look at this stock here, you'll be able to see that we've had a lower high, and a lower low. So we're basically stepping down overall, aren't we? And now we're just going sideways through here. And so therefore we've actually broken down and we're at this level of support. We are at this level of support. But who's in control right now of this stock? Sellers, right? And if we go back to our weekly chart, you can see on our weekly chart who's in control of this weekly chart. Now again, you don't want to go back too far. You want to say who's in control right now as we speak. And who's in control? Sellers, right? Because what do we have? We had a lower high, and then another lower high through here, and then now another lower high. We're breaking down. So sellers are overall in control, and especially you can see they're below all the moving averages, and the moving averages are pointing, and the moving averages are down. So therefore, sellers are in control overall in this one, and to buy the stock right here, right now, is like catching a falling knife. And there's actually more sellers than buyers, right? So we've got the overall major lower low, so on and so forth. Lower low, so on and so forth, and now the market's broke back down. Now we're at this level here, right? So it's like catching a falling knife. So who's in control of this stock right now? Even on the weekly chart, we have buyers or sellers in control. Now, where is momentum? Momentum is very easy to determine where momentum is when you actually see the moving averages. So when you have the moving average, this is my 52, this is my 20, and this is my 9. If they're all pointing down like that, fanning out, pointing down, where is momentum at the time? Momentum is down. So now you've got two things that's totally against this trade working out. You may be right, but remember, it's all about probability. So the best thing I would say if you're looking to buy a stock is not try to catch the bottom. Don't try and catch the bottom. What you want to do is you want to wait for a much better timing. So if this was me and I was looking to buy this stock, what would I want to see in order for me to start looking to get into their stock to buy it for more of a long-term buy and hold? And what would I want to see? Firstly, I'd want to see that we're definitely breaking out of this sort of downtrend through here. You can see where basically it's like actually one big descending triangle. See that there? It's actually quite weak. So the first thing I'd want to see is I'd really want to see this market start to really hold here and break back up and try to get back above here. All right, so you'd want to see this market do this. So you'd want to see the market break above here. So we've got these highs here, and you say, okay, now it's made a major higher high. Then I'd wait for some sort of a pullback. And then on the pullback through here, I'd want to try and get in here, having a good risk to reward ratio. Make sense? So by looking at this market right now, by looking at what's actually happening right now on the actual charts, there is so much sellers in control here that this is a very, very, very low probability, and it's not a high probability trade because you have so many things going against you on this here. Same with Nathaniel. Actually, you actually talked about this HCLP as well too. Now I know you didn't buy this HCLP because you actually said in your comments here, I have a few stocks ETFs with good perspective and bad sentiment. CCJ, HCLP, PAK. I'm waiting for good entry points. Yeah, fantastic. So HCLP. So HCLP, we're looking at the daily chart right now. So it's actually broken up, hasn't it? It's actually broken up now on that. Interesting, isn't it? I'm just looking at this weekly chart right now, and we are definitely very weak right now, aren't we? So you really need to start seeing some major high peaks, high troughs for this thing to start to turn around. It's definitely very weak. It looks like we're trying to start to turn around where we are right now, but definitely very weak on there. And also PAK. Yeah, PAK is definitely it's the exact same thing, right? It's like it's lower highs, lower lows, stepping down, momentum's down with the moving averages. And if you look at the weekly chart, what's the weekly chart saying? And this is where you don't want to fight this here. Lower high, lower low, and looking at breaking of the lows and going down. Now, if we started to hold here, we started to rally back up and rally back out, then this may be the start of an upward move. But I definitely wouldn't want to be looked to buy this here right now. You'd really want to see this thing turn around. So very weak right now with that there. So there we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just a few little things you guys can start to apply, and this works on short-term analysis and also long-term buy and hold for stocks.